In this video we will learn how to install Qwen 3 locally. At first go to the web browser. On Google type Ollama and press enter. Here is the official website. Click on it. Here it is, ollama.com. Let us download it. Click the download button. We want for Windows, so I'll click download for Windows. The download started. Let's wait. We have downloaded Ollama successfully. Right click the exe file and click open to begin the installation. The setup started. Minimize. Click install. It is installing. Let's wait. The installation is complete. Let us check and install Qwen. Go to start, type cmd. Click open. Here type Ollama and press enter. If the following is visible, that means we successfully installed. Now to install a model like Qwen, here we will use the run command. Here it is and it's written run a model. Let us see the command. Go to the same page Ollama, click models. The current models are visible here. Can you see Qwen? Okay, it's updated. Click on it and here it is. You can see it is the latest generation of LLM models in Qwen series, and here is the command. Ollama run Qwen 3. You can copy it. It's written 8-bit. So this is for 8 billion parameters and the size is 5.2 GB. Not a problem. I'll just copy this command or I'll type. Here it is. Ollama run Qwen 3. Press enter. Now it will pull. It is installing. I told you it's 5.2 GB, so it will take some time. Let's wait. I'll minimize this. Guys, we have installed Qwen 3. Let us add a prompt. Which number is bigger, 9.1 or 9.9? I'll press enter. Let's see the answer. So here it is giving an answer. So in this way guys, we can easily install Qwen 3 locally on Windows 11 using Ollama. For free AI tutorials, refer to the links in the description of the video.